Chinese culture and society have long fascinated the Western world since their contact. But the society and culture might seem very complicated on the surface because you don't even know why the Chinese people think and act in the way that they do. While some parts of it can be deciphered through understanding Taoism and traditional Chinese medicine, or just TCM in short. So what is Taoism? Taoism is an ancient thought process created by the philosopher Lao Tzu in the spring and autumn period of ancient China. Taoism stresses the importance of following the Tao, which is the Chinese character we see on the screen right now. The Tao of Taoism, which is basically following the natural order of the universe and react to these changes through spontaneous reactions. And Taoism also teaches the Chinese people to include humility, compassion, and moderation in their lives. Taoism believes that the entire universe is a huge energy system, with the yin and the yang being the two central pieces to it. Taoism believes that these two forces are the thing behind everything that happens in the world, and they constantly try to balance out with each other. The yin, the darker side, is usually associated with feminine qualities, and in TCM, with water. And the yang, the brighter side, is usually associated with masculine qualities, and in TCM with heat. So for example, if you have too much yang energy in your body, that means you will be more susceptible to nosebleeds because your body is drier and hotter than it is before. And Taoism believes the concept of yin and yang are at work in everything, even in the human body. So how does this concept relate to our human body? Well, there's this theory called the 12 Meridians of the body. Each red line we see on the human pictures here are one meridian in our body. For example, this meridian corresponds with our kidney. And TCM believes that every healthy, functioning human body will have all the meridians be cleared and the body energy easily running through it. And if you get sick, then TCM thinks it's because one of your meridians got clogged together, or it's poorly maintained, so the energy cannot travel as easily through it, making the body organ corresponding to it weak and more susceptible to get sick and breaks down. So how does TCM treat real-life cases? TCM takes a variety of different treatments, such as herbal medicines, acupuncture, massage, moxibustion, and pastes. These treatments combined together are aimed to restore the yin-yang balance within your body and clear the meridians. For example, consuming herbal medicines that are helping your weaker side regain the initiative and rebalance your body. And massage and acupuncture are used on pressure points to slowly unclog the meridians and help your body become healthy again. The 4 Chinese characters on the slide reflects the principle of TCM, which is finding the root cause and the symptom and then tackling them at the same time. Another very important concept to Chinese culture and Taoism is the concept of Yangshen, which literally means nurturing life and preventing illness. If you travel to China and visit one of its city parks, you will often come across this sight. A large group of people gather together to exercise, and here in the picture practice Tai Chi Chuan, which is a form of Taoist martial art that is aimed at maintaining your body. And it is believed if you practice it well enough and long enough, you will learn how to manipulate the yin-yang forces inside of your body so you can live a long and healthy life. I have gathered some tips from the wisdom of TCM to help with your health. There are getting enough sleep, eating healthy foods, engaging in sufficient exercises, and staying positive. In TCM, getting good sleep is not only about sleeping 8 hours a day. It is about taking rest at critical points for your body, namely noon and midnight. So ideally, under TCM system, you should be taking a nap around noon, which is when we usually eat lunch, and be sound asleep before midnight, so your body can fully recover from the fatigues suffered from your entire day. Next up is eating healthy foods. TCM believes that eating healthy food is not only about balancing your nutrition intake, It's also about eating seasonal foods. For example, you shouldn't eat too much lamb in the summer, but instead you should eat them in the winter. And then we have getting sufficient exercises. Exercise is very important for both your physical and mental health, because not only it strengthens your body, it also helps you interact with other people and help distract you from what's going on in life. In Chinese culture, even walking after meals can have a very positive effect on your body. There's an ancient Chinese saying of walking 100 steps after meals and you can live to 99. Last but not least, staying positive. This is pretty self-explanatory, because if you're not positive, then you can get easily stressed out and your body will suffer as a result. And tying this back to Taoism would like you to follow the natural order of the universe. And Taoism believes that following the natural order of the universe and not worry too much about what's going to happen is the only way to achieve harmony and happiness in your body. So TCM is mainly based on maintaining your body and preventing illness, and it assists Western medicine in fighting diseases and saving lives. So that means understanding TCM and Taoism is not only interesting, it is also another way of looking at things in life. And in this society where we are usually only exposed to one side of the story, it is very important to be able to appreciate other viewpoints. Thank you.